Do you know that there is a sound that comes out from a woman punani? Do you know the name of that sound? Well, I know you don't know the name of that sound. So in today's video, we'll be talking about what sound means, what it means. So as a man, I know it gladdens your heart whenever you are knocking your woman, when you are in that moment that she have already gotten to cloud nine, she's screaming on top of her voices. I know it gladdens your heart to watch her making that sound. But I know you don't know what that sound means. I know you don't even know. And sometimes it's not actually all ladies, it's not all women that give out this sound I'm talking about. When that time she's already pouring water, you start hearing. I know you don't know what that sound means. So in today's session, I'm going to be breaking it down to you. What happens when you hear that sound, and why that sound actually comes out, and where the sound is coming out from. So if this is the kind of videos that interest you, welcome and welcome on board. If you are yet to have subscribed, please kindly join this wonderful family so that you stand the chances to see more of this beautiful content that will be beneficial to you. So all right, back to the video. So one of the things that gladdens a man's heart is when their woman have already reached orgasm. That moment that she have already started pouring water, that moment she scream it, you know, it gives you this great happiness that you are doing the right thing, that you are getting it. Yes, you are getting it quite all right. But you know that it's not all women that makes that sound. So whenever you hear these sounds I'm talking about, it might not actually mean that you are doing a great job on your partner. No, it actually means that that particular woman's punani is wide. That your partner, her punani is wide, is big. So the sound that is coming out from that place is as a result of that place have already slacked. When you have a machine gun size that is so huge and you plugged it to a punani that is so wide, definitely sound of that fufu will be coming out. It shows that that place is wide. It shows that that place have already slacked. And especially when you plug a huge bowler into it, it will be giving out that sound. Another one is that it could be giving out that sound because her punani might be tight. And it could be because your woman have gotten to cloud nine. When you see her making that sound, that sound, when it keeps coming repeatedly, when you are thrusting in and thrusting out, especially when you increase your pace, when the speed of the everything is being increased, you will watch her releasing, pouring water. It means that she have reached cloud nine. She have gotten to the climax, and that sound is coming out as a result of the fact that she's enjoying what you are doing. You know, when we women are reciprocating from the affection of everything, you will notice it. You will notice our countenance, everything about us will change. Firstly, her making that sound, that fufu sound all the time when you are knocking her, means that she likes you. Especially when this girl, you are just trying to get to know her and you both are into this already, it means that she likes you. You know, normally a random girl you picked outside cannot actually want to get down wet, and she will just give you what you paid her for. But for her to do that for sound, she will never do it except she has a deal with you to be paid handsomely. So when you meet this lady that you are getting to know, the best way for you to know that if this lady actually loves you is when she keeps doing that fufu sound, when she keeps releasing, and as long as you are trusting in and trusting out, the sound keep increasing. That means that the lady like you, she loves you, and she wants to continue doing this thing with you. So when next you are knocking a woman, watch closely the kind of sound she's making. When the sound keep coming, just know that these three things I mentioned is at stake. But when the sound diverts to any other thing less than fu, well, I would just advise you to slow it down. Okay, so thank you for watching. Thank you for staying tuned to the end of this video. I guess this video was very helpful to you, so give this video a very great thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not subscribed, and see you guys next time.